I like this project because first it's very interesting to integrate MathWorks to analyze sounds, and the other thing is that I think this project is really practical and useful for like music students who wants to learn piano, and so I think it's very meaningful for us to do it. I can feel the struggle that the piano beginners have, so like it's very useful for us to design it.
I play the pianos, but I don't know where I play wrong or correct. So thinking to myself, like, how could I improve on this music? So I just don't have a standardized way to measure. So I come up with this idea. Then I know where I can improve. It can really help a lot of kids.
It is a brand new programming language for us. So like we do not have the experience working with Swift or Objective-C, like that kind of language. And we have to study it ourselves. And there are many problems and many things that we do not know. So we need to Google that and look around to solve that problem and read that code. We learned a lot about this. Like in the future, we think we can also design our own apps. Yeah, that is very beneficial for us.
So we're working on a plugin called Slice, and basically it's a plugin for audio production environment. So if you have a track that you're working on, you can kind of apply this plugin on it. And there's a couple of things you can do. So one of them is auto panning from ear to ear. And then the other thing is this thing called dynamic range compression, which basically takes the very loud parts of it, makes it, brings down the gain of that, and then moves the entire track up. And yeah, that's kind of what our plugin is for, is kind of applying those two effects on any track within any environment. I do. It's really awesome. It's been a great experience to be working on it and, I don't know, see how code can affect like audio files, and yeah, it's been awesome.
One of the challenges that we ran into was that neither of us have done anything related to audio production before. So we learned a whole new framework. I was in the middle of learning the programming language that we're using right now, so that's been a learning experience. I've never done anything with like frequency manipulation before, or applying any sorts of like filters or modification to audio tracks. So pretty much everything was new for me. But that's why I took the capstone as like a great introduction to this whole field of computer science. So yeah, everything was new. And so I kind of consider all of it as conquering a challenge because we've had to learn so many new things.